Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to resolve the issue of being unable to join a Discord server. We have all encountered that frustrating glitch where entry seems impossible regardless of how many attempts you make. Whether you are a newcomer or a long-time user, I will lead you through the troubleshooting process to ensure you can access any community you want. Begin by opening Discord. You can do this by launching your web browser and entering the URL or searching for the platform and selecting the top result. The site is designed to be intuitive, making it easy to start your online interactions. On the login screen, provide the email address associated with your account. This unique identifier keeps your profile secure among millions of others. Next, enter your password. Keep in mind that this field is case-sensitive, so type it exactly as created to maintain your account's privacy. Once finished, click the login button to reach your dashboard. If you see an error, verify your details or use the reset tool. Now that you are on your home screen, you can see your current servers and communities. This is the hub for your hobbies and social groups. To fix the joining issue, try clicking on the specific server. This is often where problems arise if settings or links have been modified. If you are stuck, go to the server settings and look for the Invite People option. Since servers frequently update these permissions, this step is vital. Select Edit Invite Link to create a fresh, working URL. Expired or revoked links are the most common reason for joining failures. Click Generate a new link to get an active connection. Use this link quickly, as some have time or usage limits. To summarize, you have logged in, located the server, and produced a new invite. This should bypass previous obstacles. If problems persist, it might be due to specific server rules, entry requirements, or member limits. In those cases, reaching out to an administrator for help is your best bet. We have covered everything from logging in to managing invite links and server restrictions. These steps should clear up the typical hurdles users face. Remember to stay patient and ask for assistance when needed. Discord is a great place for gaming, studying, or just hanging out. You are now ready to jump back into the conversation. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more tips to improve your experience. Enjoy your chats.